It's Abdurrahman Yusri and welcome in a new tutorial. So this kind of bird we want to draw on Rhino using 2D. Let's just see the dimensions here is not clear, but it's all right. We still can make it. Let's just start with that square. If I know its dimensions, I don't know its dimensions, so I'm going to start with this line here. It's 98 millimeters. So I'm going to that line, enter 0 is going to start from 0, and then to move 98, okay, and tap shift to make sure it's ortho, it's horizontal. And another line is going to be here. It's, I don't know if it's 16 or 18, but it seems to me 18, I think. Okay, let's say it's 18. Or maybe 16, it doesn't matter, but no, okay, let's say it's 16. All right. So I'm going to tap line again and tap 16 and press shift. Okay. So here we are. I just changed that to another color so you can see it clearly. Okay. After that, I have a circle here which is 16 and 16. So its radius is 16. So I'm going to hit circle, enter from here and also here. So let's pick these, Control T to trim. Okay. And then starts from here to here is going to be 50. All right. That's 50 and it's above 25. So I'm going to move the polyline. Starts from here, right? Starts from here, upward 25, press shift, and then it's going to be 50, and then press shift and tap enter. Right, so it's stopped here, it's 50. All right, then that's 25, and that's I don't know if, I think it's 51. Yeah, it's 51. So that here is 26. So it's going to, so from here, 26, enter, shift. And then here is 50, and then 16 is going to be, let's just turn on the smart track, and let's stop here, something like that. Okay, and get here again. All right, that one is a radius, it's a 25. So I'm going to hit circle. All right, I can just go here, the circle, and pick the tangent, the one here, and also one here, and its radius is going to be 25. Hit enter. Then I'm going to select these, trim, like that, and also select these and trim like that. Control it. All right, and I have another one here is also 25. So I need that. I explode that. I'm going to explode it. Okay, and pick here this point and move it downward. And again, I'm going to select circle from here, tangent, tangent, and it's going to be 25. And I'm going to trim all of these. Trim. Okay. And also here is the radius is 15. I have two ways to make that. I can use the fillet command here and make sure the radius is going to be 15. All right. And pick that line and also that line. So that's 15. The same thing here is the radius is 3 millimeters. So I'm going to tap 3 and pick those. I shouldn't have trimmed this this line, but it doesn't matter for me. Doesn't matter. I can trim it again. I can have the same line. I'm going to tap line here. Okay, and hit trim, and that's again. I think that's the same. That's 98. 98 like that. All right. Here I have two circles. From here, let's tap line, shift, and then move that 15. Okay. So that from here to here is 15. I have two circles here. One is the radius 15 and the other is 10. So I'm going to circle from here. If you guys can't see that, I can decide the intersection between them. So I have two ways. The first one, I can trim this and trim this line to start from here, and then I start my work. Or I can turn on the intersection like that, and then after I put my cursor here, it's on the intersection. All right. The radius is going to be 15 and then 10. So the first one 15 and the second one is going to be 10. All right. I'm going to tap all of these, trim, Control T, trim that one, that one, that one. Okay, so I can delete that one also. Trim it. I can use trim or I can use split. So I can split that by these two curves. So I can delete these. Okay, and the last thing here, this radius, this circle one is that's tangent to the one above here and moving from here to that arc. I need to, so it's 25 in radius. So I'm going to the arc here. The first one is tangent to the curve and that one tangent, tangent. So I need that one to be tangent here and moving through here like that. And it's going to be 25. All right. Okay. So that's tangent here and also, yeah, trim, something like that. And then I have the eye, which is a circle here, and it's 3. All right. Going to be he said it's 8 and 10. It's 8. Smart track is going to be 10 from here, -10, and then negative. I think it was 10 and 10, and then I think it was from here 8. So I have to move that to like that. But I think that one is not this type circle again. Sounds here, its radius is 3. I want the diameter is 3. It's type 3. Okay, so the small is 3. All right. The last thing we're going to draw is this part. It's going to be 8 from here and 6 from above. So let's start here. It's the same idea. It's going to be 6. Enter. From down. Let's make that like green to the layer. So that's green. Okay. And the other is going to be 8. Line. Enter. 8. And then vertical here. All right. The line here is 12 and 13 degrees. Let's type line. Enter. Starts from here. Okay, its length is 12 and going to be 13. Here, that's the first 13. Then tab left click. This arc, it's a 21 and it starts from here and ends here. So I'll go with the arc, start, end, and radius. So I'm going to pick that one and then the end here, and its radius is going to be 21. All right, here we finished our dock or whatever it is. I don't actually know what that is. So, and thank you.